Yeah, fuck off, fuck off. Fuck off! Fuck off! Oh my goodness. Please help me with this guy.
I forgot my key.
Oh, beautiful.
Love you guys.
Bro, this Thailand team is amazing. Anyway, guys, welcome to everyone. I hope you guys are all doing well. And this video today is going to be about why I think that the Forex market is literally one of the best industry in which you can do the most money. Bear with me in this video because you're going to see it's going to be amazing. So first, for the people that don't know what trading is, very simple, very short. So trading is simply an investment financial activity that consists of buying or selling stocks, commodities, and all the assets that exist today on the financial market. So as everyone know it, you can buy a bunch and sell a bunch of things. So let's say, for example, today I'm going to buy a Tesla stock and the stock go up, which means that it's going to take value. So I'm going to do profit. Very simple, very basic. So the first point I really want to start with, and I just think like it's something amazing that too much people are forgetting, is that when the world economy is doing good, everyone is doing money, okay? We have growth. So when the world economy is in a bad situation, the market just go down and we call it a recession. If the world economy is in a good situation, everyone or the majority of the people are doing money. But if the economy is in a bad state, everyone just fucking lose money. So that's the economy we're living in today. And we all saw it with what happened in 2020 with the COVID crisis. When the COVID came, so many people lost their job, money, their business, their companies. So the fact that the economy was in a bad situation had a big and huge impact on the people's life. The conclusion of the actual economic system is that if things are going well, people do money. If things are going wrong, people lose money. But not with trading. Trading is an industry in which you can literally do money, whatever is happening on the market. So if the market go up, I buy, I do money. If the market goes down, I sell, I do money. Which means that doing money in the trading industry doesn't require a good or a bad economy. No matter what is happening on the market, I can literally do profits from it. If you know how to read the market and you know what is happening, you can do money in all the situations. And this is really, for me, the first point, which is so important, because doing money today depends on a lot of factors. For example, the fact that the world economy needs to be in a good situation. But trading take away the factor that good things has to happen. You literally make good things happen no matter what is happening in the world. So it gives you a power that very, very less industries are actually giving you. And I mean, it's just fucking insane. It's just mind-blowing. So that was basically the first point why I think that this industry is amazing. But you know what? Let me give you a couple of other points and you're gonna see fucking amazing. What? I'm just keeping saying this because I love it so much, and I'm going to show you guys that there are so many points that we don't really see when it comes to this industry. And I think that with doing a quick, important analysis, we can actually see the potential that we have. So number one, make your money grow. So that's the simplest and the most important reason why you should start trading today, because you can make your money grow from 3 to 10 to 20 to even 30% a month. So you can start trading to actually add more money to the money you have, and you can earn some very interesting amount in like more than $1 million. So yeah, I think it's just amazing. Point number two. Prevent your money from losing its value. We all know that the recession is actually taking place and that the inflation is fucking skyrocketing. The Fed is printing more and more and just more money every single day. And I'm gonna put a link right here. You guys can search it on Google and it will show you the depth that the world actually have today. You're gonna see with how much intensity the numbers are just going up. It's crazy. You need to protect your money from inflation. The money that you actually have in the bank is constantly losing value. So imagine this. You work, you do money, you put it in the bank. You go to sleep and every morning your money actually lost value. And this is another point that too less people are actually giving attention to it. And I think it's very, very important to take this in consideration, because I'm not working to do money in order to have my money lose such a big value. And I mean, we actually saw it. Look how much the pair EURUSD was in 2020 and look how much now the EURUSD is. This is the answer. But if you invest your money in trading, you're going to do more money, which means that you're going to protect your money from the inflation. More than just doing money, you're actually protecting your money and what you're doing against the economic system, which is literally a mess. Number three, start trading because it promises you high profitability. So yeah, of course, you cannot reach like high profitability overnight, but here's the point. If you stay patient with hard work and discipline, you can actually do insane amounts of money on the financial market. And I'm really honest with you. The potential is literally there. Once you understand how the market are moving, once you master a good strategy, and once you master the market's behavior, your chances of success and doing money are simply gonna increase. And this is what you're looking for. I mean, if you look the majority of the business that people are starting today, let's take an example, real estate, yeah? People are doing 10, 20, 30% a year, okay? People are having a return on investment, which is like approximately to 10, 20, 30% a year. Trading can literally make you 10, 20, 30% a month if you manage it well. So it's not even about, am I gonna be able to do it? The thing is just that we need to understand that the potential is there. And if the potential is there, that means that something can be done. The rest depend on us. Point 4, start trading because you don't need huge sums of money. Trading doesn't require like huge amounts at all. I mean, you can start trading tomorrow with like $100. And even if you're not gonna turn the 100 in 1 million in 1 month, of course, you will still be able to learn with those 100 and take the experience, because when you trade with percentage, yeah? And the thing is, when it comes to percentage, the amount of money doesn't matter, because if I risk 1%, for example, on one trade, no matter if my account is going to be 100 or 1 million, the percentage is going to stay the same. So if I know how to manage a 100 account, I can manage a 1 million account. And the beautiful part of it is that I can start with $100 and see what I can do with it. So the experience and the knowledge I can acquire can actually be done with very small investment. And that's really like the most interesting part. If I want to start real estate tomorrow, I need to have some quite good amounts on the side, yeah? I'm not going to be able to start with like 1K. For sure. If I have $100, I can start trading with it. And I can do day trading, but I can also, for example, invest on cryptos. And if a crypto does like 20x or 30x, which we've seen actually, a $100 investment can be turned into 3,000, okay? It's 3,000% profits. And this is insane. And once again, you don't need a big amount to start. So the industry literally gives you the ability and the chances to get involved with small amounts of money. And this, bro, I don't say anything like this. 5. Start trading because trading can make you earn more money than any other businesses. When you look back at the most successful trader and investor in history, it becomes apparent that trading has more potential to do more money than every other business. The most successful traders of all time, like Jesse Livermore or George Soros or Warren Buffett, made millions, if it's not billions. So for example, if you short a company during a recession with like high leverage and big amount of money, you can actually do more money than the value of the company. I know it sounds weird, but it's the reality of the industry. So once again, the potential is there. And that's the most important point. I'm not saying we're gonna do it. I'm just saying the possibility exists. And that's the first step to be involved in.
A few moments later.
I have the mic, I can't! I have the mic, I can't come! Oh, does it cut at 20?
Yeah.
Now that is a spastic shitty camera, man. So when you have the good strategies, you understand the market, the good psychology, and you know yourself, you can make a fortune out of the market. And on a long-term period, like, it's even more crazier. Number 6, start trading because you actually can diversify your investment. No matter what you're doing today, if you're a business owner, if you're an employee, no matter your position, you can trade, because trading doesn't require to be in front of the laptop like this the whole day. Absolutely not. You can trade on a long-term period or you can trade on a short-term period, which means that if you're someone that doesn't have that much time, you can trade, for example, buy or sell an asset and let it run for days or weeks. Me personally, I like the mid-long-term trading, so I don't like to stay the whole day in front of the chart. I like to find my zones, sell or buy the market, and come 1 or 2 days after and take my profit. Less stress, more money, and it actually allows me to live my life. So no matter which industry you're in, you can trade, you can have the time for trading, even if you just have 1 or 2 hours per day, and it will allow you to diversify the money you're actually doing. Because one of the first rules when it comes to financial freedom and being rich and all those things is diversify your investment. Don't put all of your eggs in the same fucking, I don't know how you guys say this in English, in the same panier we say in French. Anyway, you understood what I mean, yeah? Point 7, start trading because of the liquidity. There are trillions and trillions of dollars that are used and traded every day on the market, which means that if those trillions are here, they are here, okay? If I put $1 billion in front of you, the 1 billion are here. And if $1 billion is in front of you, that means that if you know how, you can actually grab some money from it, okay? So the liquidity means that there is a lot of money, and if there is a lot of money can be made. So once again, the possibility is there. 9. Start trading because of time flexibility. As I just told you, we don't all have the same time in a day. Some people are working, some people are not, some people are working in the morning, some people are working in the night. Anyway, so we all schedule our day in a different way. But the markets are open 23 hours on 24, which means that no matter when we have free time, we can actually adapt our free time to be on the chart, to trade, and to do money. So the time flexibility is very important because let's say if I want to open a shoes shop, okay, I'm gonna have to open the shop from the morning until the end of the afternoon, okay, and not the night. And I'm not gonna be able to do money on the night because people are sleeping on the night. But the Forex market is always open. So no matter when you're gonna be free and you're gonna have time, you have the possibility to go and to trade, look at the market, and once again, to do money. 10. Start trading if you don't like to follow orders. We all know that we have two choices today, or be an entrepreneur or be an employee. There is nothing bad about being an employee, but some people don't like to follow orders. Some people are made to be free. Some people are made to take their own choices in their life, okay? Some people are not, but some people are. And being involved in trading actually gives you the ability to be your own boss because all the decisions are made by yourself. You have the whole power, the whole control of your decision, of the money you're gonna do, without having anyone who's gonna tell you what to do. And the freedom of choice is something way bigger than what people are actually thinking today. So yeah, that's it. I can give you like 100 more points on why I think that the trading industry is insane, but I think those ones are enough, and those ones are the most important one that will you make understand why this industry is so insane. So I've simply exposed the beautiful part of the trading industry, yeah? But of course, because there is a law which is called the law of polarity, trading has some bad side. But the thing is that the bad aspect of this industry are completely related to you. Everything depends on you. So all the beauty that can be done is gonna come from you. And all the disaster can actually come from you too. So the biggest problem for me and the main reason why people and traders are losing money on the market is because of a lack of discipline and a lack of training. I gave you those 2 points, discipline and training, but those 2 points are way more deeper than what you guys think. You need to have a good strategy which actually work on the market, and you need to work on this strategy. That comes for the training. Then when it comes to discipline, discipline is going to be relied to your psychology, to the emotions you're going to have on the market, to the decision you're going to take based on your emotion. And this is the main reason why 98 or 99% of the people are failing on the market today, because people don't know how to manage themselves, their emotion, and they don't know which type of decision to take and in which state to be when they have to take a decision. The majority of people are simply driven by their emotion, by the fact that they love to be hyped and have some adrenaline in their brain, and this is what gives us all the bad results people have today. So if you know how to manage yourself, if you work hard with discipline, and of course, more than this, you surround yourself by the good people that are gonna here to help, to learn you and to show you how to do the right things, there is no reason why you will fail. If you want to drive a Formula 1 car, you're not gonna go to one of your friends or a random guy to ask questions. No, you're gonna go by the people that actually have the result you want. So the first step is always go by the people that have the result you want, because those people are going to be able to teach you and to show you what you're supposed to do in order to be the best version of yourself in the industry you're actually in and in life in general. So the lack of knowledge, of training and of discipline are for me the main reason why people are failing. And as I just told you, everything is polarity, so everything has 2 sides. I can take a knife and I can cut my food and simply eat it, which is gonna feed me and it's gonna help me to stay alive. Yes or not? Yes. But at the same time, I can take this knife and fucking go kill someone. If I kill this guy is gonna be dead. That's gonna be dramatic. So the same thing allowed me to do 2 things that are completely different. One is actually here to help me to feed myself and to eat in order to stay healthy and help the world. But the other side is that I'm going to kill someone. And the industry of trading is exactly the same. It's not the industry that is bad or good, it's what you're actually doing with this industry that matters. But the industry gives you the ability, the possibility to do insane things if you know how to manage yourself and how to act in a proper way. So in everything you're going to do in life, there is going to be a potential. okay, a seed. And you're actually what is gonna make this seed grow. And you're gonna be the result of this seed. So this seed can stay in the dirt until she's gone, or she can have water, good nutrient, and grow up in order to give you a beautiful tree. And this is what I want you guys to understand. It's not the industry, it's only you. And what you're gonna make from it is gonna depend on one thing, the will you're gonna have to succeed. And the will you're gonna have to change. So yeah, as you know it, I just fucking love it. I love this industry, I love trading, I love this world. I find it so passionate because it's not just doing money, it's actually a process that make you become a better person, that make you understand way more about the people and about yourself, psychology. It gives you the ability to develop some skills that will help you your whole life. And I truly think that you need to have kind of a problem, and you really need to be stuck in the matrix in order to not be interested in this industry. And then I'm just gonna end up with the last point, prop farm, bro, prop farm. You can have a 100,000 account for $500 investment. I don't know if you realize what I'm telling you. So not only the industry is insane and give you an insane potential, but we have today some companies that are actually there in order to make you have access to insane amounts. And if you know, once again, how to manage yourself and your trading, you can do huge money from it. I know people that did hundreds of thousands with a 1K investment. Can you fucking believe it? And I actually don't know if you guys heard about it, but there is like a company which is called, it's called the Funding Circle. Yeah, it's called the Funding Circle. And like it's kind of a company that like pays you the prop farm. So I'm gonna try this company and I'm gonna do a next video about it to show you guys a bit what it's about, because I find it quite interesting for the people that don't have that much money. But yeah, it's a company that pays the prop farm. So a 100K account costs $500. This company do it for like $200. They give you a test to pass. I don't know if it's 1 or 2 tests. I'm gonna see and I'm gonna do a beautiful video about it. But they give you a test to pass. You pass this test, and when you pass the test, they literally send you the money so that you can pass the prop farm. So instead of paying $540 to have a 100K account, you pay something like $200 for a 100K account. Anyway, I'm gonna stop there because I can fucking continue for like more than 1 hour. It's just insane. I hope you guys realize that this industry is beautiful. I hope you guys realize that we have so many possibilities today and we literally have no excuse not to do money. If we don't do money, it's our fault. We live in the best society that was ever created. We have a lot of negative points, but once again, because everything is polarity, if we have a lot of negative points, we have a lot of positive ones. And those positive points, we can use them actually today to grow, do money, be free, and just have a beautiful life. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was Sami. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to put a small comment. I love you. See you on the next video. Ciao.